All of us today are concerned about increased exposure to allergens, mold, VOCs, and air pollutants. Now, with Air Scrubber Plus, you can eliminate these and other harmful contaminants in the air and on surfaces in your home or office. Air Scrubber Plus goes beyond traditional air purification systems and is the only air cleaning technology awarded the prestigious Certified Space Technology Seal of Approval by the Space Foundation. The Space Certification Program was created in cooperation with NASA. So, how does Air Scrubber Plus really work to protect you? Microscopic oxygen and water molecules in the air enter the purification unit and pass through the honeycomb matrix. While inside, the molecules are transformed into friendly yet powerful oxidizers. Once released, the molecules become supercharged purification warriors. Like an army on a mission, they seek to rapidly destroy contaminants, fungi, mold, and odor-causing bacteria, even ones that try to hide in cracks and crevices. This technology also uses ionization. To show our Air Scrubber Plus technology at work, we create smoke in a sealed chamber that has no filtration. When we turn on our supercharged molecules, you can see the smoke swirl and then disappear, showing the charged cleaners at work. This is what the technology does to the microscopic impurities that you can't see in your air and on surfaces. Air Scrubber Plus is entirely safe for both humans and pets, and the technology has been proven to be effective and powerful in leading university studies to eliminate numerous harmful contaminants. You may have even seen the widely published Harvard University study showing that improving air quality can help extend your lifespan, and who doesn't want that? So, is Air Scrubber Plus for you? Well, would you like to reduce your exposure to VOCs, gases, airborne matter, and their effects upon your health and wellness? Are you looking for relief from allergy and asthma symptoms? Are you concerned about odors from pets or other sources? How would you like to sleep better and feel better every day? Then Air Scrubber Plus is for you. Air Scrubber Plus is for everyone. This technology is used every day in homes across the world, as well as hospitals, hotels, daycares, professional athletic facilities, as well as the Liberty Bell and Ground Zero museums. It was even used after September 11th to help clean and purify the air within the Pentagon.
The technology helped my husband with his health challenges. I love knowing the surfaces in my home are clean and sanitized for my family. My home always smells fresh and clean, even though I have 2 dogs.
If you've ever been around me, you know what a clean freak I am. I love knowing the technology is in my home, eliminating contaminants on surfaces.
As an asthmatic patient, I noticed the air is lighter and fresher within 15 minutes of having the technology in my home.
Air Scrubber Plus is manufactured in the USA by Aris, a leading technology company with over 90 years of history that has been recognized by the Smithsonian for innovative product design. Aris owns worldwide rights to this proprietary technology, and it is the only certified space technology that works to continuously clean and protect air and surfaces 24 hours a day. Talk to your local heating and cooling contractor for more information, or to have the Air Scrubber Plus installed in your home or business. Take advantage of this opportunity to make a difference in your life and the lives of those you most care about. Get Air Scrubber Plus today.